And we are live. Day 18 of roasting ads to landing page alignments, vibe coding our product to 1 million ads to landing page alignments. Through connected ad accounts, that's what we're after. Trying to get as many connected ad accounts as possible. Because that's going to drastically improve our scoring engine. And yeah, it's going to make us grow faster. So yeah, let's dive right into the roast because that's what we're here for. However, we're going to well, actually, I optimized a few things, as you might have seen here. So still have the spin, and we can still check the landing page like this. The ad here, free shipping available, free returns. You can check the ad here. And let me turn the music down. Yeah, so basically we can still do the roast. Today I actually recorded a few reels. Yesterday evening I've recorded a few reels with Screen Studio, which is quite interesting. So not sure how I can show that here, but yeah, I recorded the videos with Screen Studio. So today it's not my first roast. As you can see, I actually roasted did 5 roasts already. And let me see if I can find the channel. And these were the videos. So I used Screen Studio to roast them. And that was quite interesting. So Screen Studio. Wait, let me get another screen up. This one. Let me change this one. Wait. Let's see, Screen Studio. Can I just show my entire screen? Let me do that. Let me just show my entire screen. Oh, this one. There we go. I want to show now. Bring to the front. There I go. Let me see. Yeah. So I realized that the reels were okay. Already in the front. There we are. That's me again. Yeah. So I was using Screen Studio. My screen is what I'm now sharing my biggest screen. It's so big. I'm not sure if I can get it properly on the. Let's see if I can get it quite proper. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, this is. So I was recording with Screen Studio. So, and that works quite nice because you can get the movements. The only problem with Screen Studio is that you can get the transcription. So I could get a transcription of the video because I need that for the reels. But what I realized is that these live streams are good for documenting my journey. I'm at day 18, but I'm not getting like it takes a lot of time for the new YouTube channel to understand who I am and which audience I'm serving. So that takes some time. So I needed to wait. It's getting double background. Oh shit! There we go. I think it's better now. Oh wait. Okay. Anyway, so I used Screen Studio for that and was able to create a good video, I think, and posted two of them today, one yesterday. I just did some roasts and really tried to keep it in at the minute because I need to get more attention about this subject. I still like add to page alignment is a big deal and it's fixable. Um, yeah, so I've been working on that a lot. Let me pause the sound one moment and then
AloYoga.com. Okay, I don't see any ping, but I see a lot of yoga pants. Let's go back to the page. Homepage is not a product page, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we're going to score. We're going to score A. What we're going to go for, I think it's not really going to be that great. Bold bright, bound to make a statement. I think we're going to go for 4.3. Lock in at 4.3. Let's see what we get. There we go. We're getting the score. A score is a 4.2, and we said a 4.3. We're only 0.1% off. Wow. Okay, visual match a 4.4, message match a 3, above the fold continuity a 3, and tone alignment a 6. Here's the comparison table. Here are the fixes. If they improve the fixes, they can go up to a 6.6. Wow.
yeah. So that was the video. Up to speed a little bit. It was like under 50. It was 50 seconds, around 50 seconds. So that's what I've been up to. Creating the reels. I want the reels to drive traffic to the YouTube channel. I don't have time to stream for 8 hours a day at the moment because I have a family and I have like other responsibilities as well. So for me, it's already good to be able to stream like at least 1 hour a day. For me, it's a documented journey, and at a certain point, of course, I want to start streaming more and streaming daily. But let's dive right back into the roast. Um, yeah, where are we? There we go. So we were with the Under Armour. This is the landing page. This is the ad. Oh, it's just what the user clicked. Okay, let's just lock in a score. Can I also just get video next time? Let's do that first. But let's try to lock in the score. I think there's not that much alignment, so I'm just gonna go for 5.1. Lock in. And soon, like what I want to do with the roast is also have you guys enter the playing field. So that you also start roasting. So that would be good as well. Let's see. Is it at 100% now? This is 100%. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. There we go. This is all on screen. Okay. Okay, I can still scroll. Yeah, that's good. So this is the roast, and we're still spinning. So we basically did a lot actually this week, but it's good now. I can really document what I'm doing. There we go. Report merge. And what else have we been doing? We have been building a lot. So yeah, so I also realized that I was not able to take screenshots of every wait, the music is gone now. The music back on. Yeah, so I realized I was not able to get the 6.3. Wow, that's high. Now it's not showing me the landing page screenshot. So Why is it not showing me the landing page screenshot? I'm going to Versal quickly. Appointments, logs. I had this earlier today. So it scored the screenshot, but let me explain. So I realized that a few of these, we added a lot of premium brands to the roasting engine, so or to the database to roast. So that's there. The only problem is that, um, yeah, they also a lot of time they have really strict blockers. So they have Cloudflare or they have another blocker, and yeah, that is causing some issues. That's causing me a lot of issues basically because I cannot then take the screenshot correctly, and yeah, I need that, so it's a problem. But wait, let me see. Yeah. So what I want to do is check the. I want to check. So I fixed something here. So I created. So let me summarize it. Summarize what we did. Uh, the fixes here in total in written and plain English. Yeah. So, but now also I don't see the landing page screenshot. So I think there's some issue with it not showing, but I was still able to capture it. So I think it's worked. So I have now a. So we use an API, screenshot API, to take a picture of the screenshot. However, we now have a tool that we have a secondary tool that is also able to bypass the harder versions, and it's going to explain what I actually mean. We had a 6.3. Wow, 5.1. So I mean we're not too far off, but visual match is 7.5, message match 5, above the full continuity of 5. Okay, this needs to work. Okay. So I need to check this also. This is weird that we're getting this answer and it's referring to the wiki. At least it should give me the right URL, right? Okay. So I need to check the logs quickly, see what do we have here. So in the logs, we did a we did the roast, the audit, token screenshot failure. Ah, it took the ad data. Okay. Okay. So I want to check now. So unfortunately you can see, but you can see it now on this screen. I want to check here. Wait, screenshot two. Let me get the full screen. Okay, wait. Can't do it like this. I need to. I want you to see the entire screen, but it's giving some issues here. So bear with me. If you're watching. This will get better though. Okay. I just want the. Okay. Well. Okay. Anyway. So what we did is we tried to score a Lululemon ad against the landing page in the roulette roast, but it failed completely. So it's failed completely. The error was couldn't read the landing page. Try another ad. The root cause Lululemon, like Walmart, Ray-Ban, Best Buy, Costco, sits behind a bot wall. Security software that detects automated visitors and blocks them. Our screenshot service runs from data center servers, which those walls recognize and reject. So we got nothing, no screenshot, and the backup HTML script also got a 403 forbidden with no page data at all. The scoring pipeline threw its hands up and crashed the whole spin. Rather than just hiding the error, which prior work already done, it worked would skip the page and show site blocked us message. We want to actually beat the bot walls. After reaching the options, we have a stealth fallback. When the normal screenshot fails, root the request goes through Bright's data web unlocker, which uses residential proxies, real home internet connections, and real browser engine. Bot walls can't tell us apart from a genuine human visitor. This is the only thing that reliably gets past Akami paramedic style protection. A graceful URL only safety net. Even stealth occasionally fails. Instead of crashing, the system now records the attempt, marks the result as scored without a landing page, and returns NA on scores after then a fake number or a 502 error. Your feedback sharpened the plan in three important ways. So we dropped the other fallback. Um, and we have a new stealth capture module that's called Pride Data. Okay. We have a 7-day cache we added so that popular brand ads which get spin in the roast repeatedly in the roast game only cost money the first time. Okay. So, quick question: is this actually set up across the entire product, not just roast? And secondly, we just ran a roast, and I got this error message. So it seems to have worked, but I will also share the screenshot of the roast or of the result. Wait, let me zoom out. Okay. Let's skip the model. We're on we're on 4.8 now. Let's okay. Split analysis seems to work. What else? So we don't see the landing page screenshot now in the results. And with screenshot API that works, but now it's not working. So can you review that? So maybe we can still get that optionality. Maybe the API route is not configured. Please check that. So I'm talking about this part. We need this to be visible. Uh, okay, let's see. So we're working on that, but it's still scored. So the score is working. So it's still got that's a big improvement actually. So we were able to score the landing page while it was blocked by screenshot API. So it's using a residential proxy to access the landing page so that we can bypass bot protection. Um, yeah. So yeah, we need to be creative to get this working. Because I have had this multiple times now, and it still can happen. But now I think we got the best option in the market to have a fallback if we really get strict bot protection. Yeah. So in the pipeline, it says I think it was working. Okay, perfect. Let's move on to the next roast. Pinned. There we go. Whoa, my music is still off. Where are we? There we are. Music is back. I hear it. So, but it was turned off. Anyway, it will help for my virality. Just hearing my own voice and no background music. Just kidding. Okay, let's see. So we have Fury. Gear up for movement. Fury designs premium performance apparel that transitions seamlessly from workout to live. Then the call to action is up now. This is from the meta ad library. This is what it would look in the actual ad library. Oh, it's a carousel, but wait. Is the ad a carousel ad? Okay, well we're just going to screenshot one version of the image with the because most of them are all the same images anyway. Um, PTA, I checked the landing page. Oh, application ready. Stop now. We've done this one before. I think it gave a problem last time, so we can now see again if it will give an issue. I think this one, summer versus like a different style visual, geared up for movement, so that's definitely in the video. Okay, let's see. Lock in the reveal. So we got that one running. Today's 6 spins. Wow. I'm going to do that more because I think these reels is what's going to drive traffic to the stream to get people watching streams, but also watching back streams. And I already built a tool to clip the streams, right? So I can clip different reels from the streams. But I need to try to keep them under 1.5 minutes because, or actually under a minute, because more than a minute, it's not helpful. Okay, we're spinning. We'll see what happens there. Let's see if we got. Oh, it's still evaluating here. I wonder. 4. We said wow. Oh, we said a 4.4. So we were close again. Scoring engine is getting better and better. Ah, wait. Did I take a screenshot of the? Yeah, this one I need. Because we also need to fix this. Yeah, I see on the screenshot, I see that we're referring Under the message match and above the fold continuity, we were referring to the wiki. On the share, like on the shared results page. I'll share the link to the results page as well. But yeah, I think there's room for improvement here. Okay, let's see. We got a 4. Oh, wait. This is another URL, but doesn't matter. I think it will be fine. We'll find it. We'll understand what type of report it is. Okay, let's go back to the main roast. So we scored a 4 out of 10. And it's not bypassing the screenshot. We're still not getting the... On roast.add-a-line, we're still not getting the... Let me check cockpit. Let me check my other results pages. I want to see if we also get the copy visible on the shared pages. Just want to make sure that we have those as well. No. Okay, we did another one. So let's check. Quarter 4. Okay, let me just show. Let's just zoom in a bit on the landing page. Okay. Yeah, so basically stealth mode didn't fire. That's what it says here. Stealth mode was supposed to rescue, but the log shows routing to stealth, followed by 0 stealth activity. The exact signature of stealth captured enabled not being true in the environment that ran this. The code calls stealth, it silently returns null flag off, and since the HTML scrape did succeed, the pipeline scored HTML only. Real scores no screenshot. Oh, it still scored the ad then? Code fixes and you walk me through enabling. Yeah, let's go. Let's see the 4.8 model if it's a lot better. Okay, wait. Okay, let's roast another one. Let's see. So it's still roasted based on the HTML. So that's why it bypassed the pop-up. But the stealth mode is not working, so okay. Let's go back and let's spin another one. Do we actually agree with this? So giving a 4, we said a 4.4, yeah, so our initial feeling is correct. Basically everything is aligned. So the 5 is I think also correct. So let's spin again. There we go. Hey, do we also, let me check if we have video. I want to see if I can get some video. Also, do we have UK? No, we have video. Ah, Figma. Okay, let's check the original video. This could be fun. Whoa. Okay. Let's check the original video. How do I do that? Okay, short video. And the ad is Figma Make. Make your ideas real with Figma Make. Okay. Let's see. Comment Howard to get the tutorial. PTA. There's nothing about Howard here. It's in the ad itself. Okay, let's just go for 5. Let's see what we get. I'm just gonna try to get the frames. I'm really wondering if that's gonna go correct now. Let's see. This is interesting landing page because it prompts to make something. Make a landing page that's aligned with my meta. Let's see. Ah, good. Okay. So there is a walled garden basically to enter, but it's still smart. There we go. Oh, 2.6. Did it catch the frames? No, it didn't catch the frames. Okay. Hmm. That's weird. So it should catch the frames. It's aligning nothing with nothing. Okay, let's run another video. I'm going to spin again, and then I'm going to go for another video. So it should work in the actual product. This is the roast part. Okay, I want to see it. Just skip. Let's just see what we get. Oh, shit. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. We'll just check. We're going to check the logs. Let's check the logs. Let's see what the logs will say. The logs will give the error. I'll check the logs in the meantime. Okay. We don't need the desktop mode. Okay. Let's see what we get. Hopefully it captures the landing page now. Think with Claude, execute with Airtable. I'm really curious what this is going to give us. There we go. Let's see. Now it actually did capture. Well, no. Okay, the visuals, the ads is breaking, but it's not breaking in an actual video. Video 7. Okay, I'm gonna check. The videos are not working on the roast, so they will work in the product. So here, actually, the message match above the full continuity and tone alignment are really high. Sign up, think with Claude. And it's not showing everything from the ad as well here. So that's two things we need to fix. So can you make sure that on the roast share page, results page, we also see all the ad copy, so headline, body text, etc. So that should be there. So that's visible also. Now I'm only seeing the image in the landing page. Okay. 6.6. And then the second thing we wanted to fix is, oh yeah, So I was in the roast.adaline.io. We're running different ads and also video ads. However, somehow it's now not capturing the video ads correctly. So normally we should be able to catch different frames from a video, but now it's not capturing the video at all. And the video is where we got through Appify. Normally, now we have it stored in a database as a video through Appify. Previously, we didn't have the images and the videos stored in the database, but we just, I think, got them through Appify and then through a API route with the meta ad library. Now they're in our database because these images and videos disappear after 24 to 48 hours. So can you fix this basically? Let's put the reasoning high. Put the reasoning high, okay. We got the shared document fix, stealth, capture safely, observability with capture time budget. Okay, let's see what it does. I'm gonna fix that here. So what's up, chat? Anyone in the chat? What's up, guys? Anyone in the chat? Day 18, imagine that. Day 18 of add to page alignments roast. So we've been on it for some time now. And oh, I had good news actually today. I had one anonymous user for add align, which is good. So I'm also building in public, so I'll be roasting on this stream, but also building in public. It will be of both. But yeah, I got a anonymous user, I think, through one of these reels that we did, so that's good. So they probably tested the product through the reel. And then secondly, we got some, we have some issues with the Search Console. So our middleware was not showing. So this is let me check my add-align domain. So basically, if you look on my screen, you'll see like we have like 36 clicks. And we still have low impressions, but that's because not all of our pages have been indexed yet. But they're currently discovered, not indexed, and that's because our middleware was blocking those pages. So that was some error that was still in the code. So only a few pages are actually now are shown. But yeah, working on that. Hopefully, I realized that a month ago almost now. So validation started 5/12, but I think the realization came 25 April. So that's good. Um, yeah. Okay, we got this score. Let me check do a little bit of coding, and then I'll go back to a new roast. So we have roast share ad copy. The ad copy was never saved for past row spins. Only the brand page name survives on the row. Headline, body, description, CTA came from the request and weren't stored. The fix makes all new spins show copy. Fix forward only. That's fine. Oh, what's this? Continue. Okay. Let's create the PR. Okay. Basically, Cloud Opus 4.8 launched yesterday, and I need to also check how the vision model compares. So let's do that also right away. Let's see. Just let's ask it. So, how does the Claude Opus 4.8 compare to 4.7 based on the image model? Okay. Let me also just ask it in my regular Claude app. Okay. Yeah, we need to voice over. Yeah, it was asking if we want the so when we basically we use assembly. Uh, we used assembly API to store to capture the audio, spoken words of a video, and we use that also for the alignment score. But for the rows, it was asking if I wanted that as well. Okay, let's go. Great PR. Okay. And I'm browsing with two channels now. see if the X still not that many. Okay, let's see. Let's go back. Okay, let's see what we got here. Well, you roast one more ad. Let's see. Let's go roast one more ad. And again, the image is not. Let's do an ad from the UK. I think I got UK also. In oh no UK. No. Oh. Maybe put them all in the bucket of the US. Let's see. We already had this one. T Apex. But I checked the consistency of the model. I know it's 46.6 for this one. I think it's also here probably. T Apex. Under Armour. This one 6.2. Let's score 6.4 then. Let's score 6.2. Let's see. Let's see if we get to 6.4, like 6.2 again. Just for consistency's sake. Let's see. Okay. Go back to the conductor. Merge. Merge with main. Posting the alignment score. Let's see how my TikTok ad did actually. TikTok. So I'm posting on TikTok, X, and TikTok, X, and YouTube Shorts, and YouTube Long Form, and YouTube Live, and X Live. Our second ad also got some good. Not too bad actually. I'm on TikTok. So a few days ago, I roasted this ad and it got a 6.2. And now I roasted it again and I got a 6.8. And I think across visual match, message match, above the fold continuity, the labels are quite aligned. So 4.9 or 5. But then if I look at or 7 or 8, but if I look at the tone of voice alignment, I see a 2 point difference. So I see an 8 or a 6. Yeah, can you review that? I'm also going to add this to Claude. Wait, okay. And then plain the band scoring in plain English. There we go. Okay, now we're going to score another ad to page alignment spin. HubSpot for YouTube marketing, Academy hotspot, the homepage of the Academy. Grow your career. Okay, for YouTube marketing training. So nothing regarding YouTube, right? Not, there's no, I mean, it's there, but it's not like it should link to this one. That's what I would say, right? So it should link to this one, but it's now linking to this URL, the homepage. So let me go ahead and lock in a score. So I think it's going to be like 5.7. I would say 5.7 because like it's not like the deep link. So it should have gone to the product page, basically. That's what I think. So maybe I should have scored lower even. But let's just see what it comes up with. The bandwidth, so why do we have the band scoring? If you just ask an AI to score the ad to landing page match from 1 to 10, it gets a shy and generous. It clusters almost everything around 7 or 8. A mediocre pairing and genuinely great one both come back at a 7.5, so the number tells you nothing. Internal testing confirmed this. Unconstrained GPT-4o averaged 7.2 with everything binds between 6 and 8. The fix, pick a word first, then a number. Instead of jumping straight to a number, the AI has to commit to a category, aka a band. First explain why, and only then pick a number inside that band's range. Think of it like grading an essay. If you start with giving it a number, you drift toward a safe B plus. But if you first decide this is a C level essay, you've anchored yourself in a reality. Now you just pick whether it's a 7.3 or 7.6. The word honesty forces honesty. The number just fine tunes it. Yeah, so that's what it does, basically. Okay, and then the words are exceptional, good, moderate, poor, very poor. Exceptional is a 9 or 10 score. Added page feel like one seamless experience, rare, and most ads should never hit this. Would never hit this. Good. 7 or an 8. Clearly connected on purpose, small difference, but it holds together. Moderate, related, not but noticeably off. This is the expected average. Most pairings land here. 4, 3, 4, weak connection. The user feels a bit misled clicking through. And a very poor, no real relationship. People bounce instantly. Yeah, so that's 1 or 2. And then the key design choice, moderate 5, 6 is normal, not bad. So yeah, 5 or 6 is actually normal. But that's often with scoring, but that's I think through our tooling. Oh wait, let me put my back on. Yeah, we got these are the 5 bands. Quite interesting, actually. Okay, we got the score as 6, and we said a 5.7, so we were really close again. Visual match. Oh yeah, that's quite aligned. I didn't even see that. Wait, you gotta see it here. Visual match, the same image on the homepage. That's very much aligned. Then it shows the product name. That one is that's frustrating because that's a what do you call it? That's a feed name. And the body type, no cost, no application, just skills, free courses, or aspiring pros. The CTA is learn more. Um, so it's giving a high score for visual. I would say the same. Yeah, exactly. The visual match is very much aligned, so that's really good. Message match is poor. Above the fold continuity is poor, and then the tone of voice is an 8. So those are very high. Uh, yeah, I agree with that, basically, if I look at the ad and the landing page. The only thing is that, yeah, if you would match, if the message match and above the fold continuity were both a, we're both sending traffic to the product page for free YouTube marketing training, we would get a higher score. But this one is an interesting one, right? We should send this to HubSpot. I think HubSpot actually likes this. Yeah, this is a good one. Okay. So we were close again. I mean, we're scoring so close lately. It's getting better every time. Well, actually, the landing page does mention YouTube marketing, so that is something. It's just lower on the page. So I want to give that feedback back to. I'm not sure if it was able to scrape it, but I think it's important to mention. But above the fold, for sure, it was not there. But below the fold, it was there. Yeah. I think overall, the score is quite good. So it should, if we're going for like a free YouTube marketing, it should send it to the product page, right? That's the clear distinction. I think HubSpot should be sending traffic to the dedicated marketing training course. Yeah. Okay. 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 6. So yeah, we're going to drive that back to Claude. That's the last thing I'm going to do. This would be a good one to. Oh wait, let me just. Ooh. Let me send that right back to. Yeah, so I have an edge case for when I roasted a HubSpot ad. Please see the attached image. But I added it to HubSpot. I added to the roast and it got roasted. And what you see is the score. Wait, let me get it. The score for message match was a 3. Above the fold continuity was also a 3. And initially I thought that was correct because indeed they should send traffic to the product page. However, when I scrolled down on the landing page, I did see like a tile with one of the tiles with the YouTube course, marketing course, and if I look at the message match, it says it was not on the landing page at all. But we screenshot the entire landing page, right? Not just the above the fold part. And we also extract the HTML, so it should also be in the HTML, I would say. Oh, wait. Okay, I think it got enough context now. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. It was an honor again to do the stream. 1 hour in. I'm just going to start with 1 hour, and once the business starts taking off more and more, we get more users. I'm going to increase the stream. For me, it's now just documenting my journey also, which is fun, even though I have very limited viewers, but it will grow. Okay, perfect. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.